revealing how everything is interconnected. Because what is the chances that Diddy is getting like freaking ridiculed in the media, and people keep bringing up the Diddy parties, and then Kamala Devi just so happened to be running for president, and they're just gonna coincidentally match with 61 in two ciphers directly. I mean, not reverse, like it's not like 1 equals 16. No, it's 61. KB exception cipher and SKV exception cipher. And while you're distracted, they're doing something to the climate. Climate control matches with 61 and both of those ciphers. So they got you distracted with that Diddy party, and then they got you distracted with Kamala. So you are extremely distracted, and they're messing up your life. They got your life messed up. They got you trapped in the house. You don't go outside. And if you did go outside, they're spraying so much stuff. They're doing so much stuff. Everything looks so dull now. Woman president matches to negative evil with 121. Now, I didn't try to find this. It just matched, and I thought that was pretty crazy. And look at this. Woman president equals 666.
This the part right here that got me thinking. This the part that got me thinking.
Collapse with 666. What? In a satanic cipher? And then look, digital slaves. Everybody is a slave right now. Not in real life matches with 666. What is the chances of this? Let's go over this. Woman president, banking collapse, digital slaves, and not in real life matches to 666 in a satanic, in a reverse satanic site.
All right, this is what's crazy. People be thinking this is a joke. I'm telling you, this gematria be real. Now, I don't normally like be in these ciphers like that. I don't normally be in the satanic and the reverse satanic ciphers, but it's crazy how she matched women president the bacon collapse. Because I could be wrong, but this is my prediction. And the reason I got this prediction is because I remember last year when Damar Hamlin and Damian Harris, both of them collapsed that same year. First it was Damar Hamlin that wore the number 3. Then months later it was Damian Harris that wore the number 22. And you know what's crazy about that? That was the same year that Yale University turned 322 years. That was the 322nd year anniversary. And one just happened to wear the number 3 and the other one just happened to wear the number 22. They named initials DH when Donald and Harris was in the election, and Damian, his last name is Harris. This is not all a coincidence. This really got me thinking when I saw this. Women president and banking collapse. Because both of them guys that collapsed last year both played for the Buffalo Bills. And the riddle I got out of that is that the bill is about to collapse. Everything going up and the dollar bill value just seemed like it's going down for the Bills. And I remember watching one video with Papa Duck, and he was talking about how money is fake. And at first I was like, the hell he mean money is fake? But when I started thinking about it, it really makes sense. Because I remember a while back, I had a $50 bill, and a piece of the $50 bill was missing. And you know the value went right down to 0. Like you rip a 50 in half, it ain't even worth $25. That just a quarter of that jank was missing. The lady told me it wasn't spendable. That just tell you how fake money is. And even in his video, he was talking about how they burn money. They keep up with money. They keep up with how much money is in the U.S. And you got people dying because they ain't got enough money for surgery. Instead of that money going to that day burning it, that just tell you how fake money is. But back to this subject. This is why my theory is something about to happen with this money situation. Like I said, both of these players play for the Buffalo Bills. Buffalo Bills literally got Bill in it. And like I said, everything going up. We in the inflation. And then women president match up with bacon collapse. And shout out to Joey Aquaviva, because I was watching his video when he said Jamal Simmons said that Biden need to step down. So basically, when they had this meeting, it's going to be about Biden stepping down, and then we're going to have Kamala for president into the inauguration. And I feel like during that time, the banks or whatever is going to collapse. And when this system crash, this money that this so-called money, I believe they ain't even going to use this money no more. So I advise people to start investing in silver and gold. Cause this is just what I'm seeing. I, I'm just putting two and two together. I could be wrong, but this is what I'm seeing. And in my heart, I truly believe they gonna get rid of money soon. They already doing it in other countries. It's thousands of dollars on the ground, just worthless. And she really got me thinking with this video. When I was watching this video and saw this, it just really got me thinking. So, and then another thing, next year is 2025. 9 represents the end. You know what I'm saying? 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 is 9, and 9 represent the end. So, and 9 represents the end. 1 is a new beginning. And next year is 2025. So during that time, or 2026, one of them, I think that's when the bank can go and collapse. I think it's going to actually collapse while she's in office. And for the looks of things, it looked like she about to be the president for a little bit. And I was already connecting her to president because female equal 24 and we in the year 24. And Joey Aquaviva, he was connecting her. It was a few people that was connected. Dakota with Cody, and they had more connections than I had. I just had female equaling the 24, and I knew she was the vice president. So I saw her being the president. I ain't gonna lie though. I thought they was gonna get rid of Biden, and then she became the president. That was the only thing I was right. Only thing I was wrong about. Because a lot of my predictions been coming true. Like my biggest predictions, I've been telling people way back in 2021 that Trump was going to be the president. Because him being connected to that number 47. So last year when his sister died, that's when I realized he was connected to the number 48 as well. Because his sister died, leaving 48 days left in the year. His younger brother was born at 48, and then his name equal to 48. And when he got shot, it was 48 weeks before his next birthday. So he was connected to both numbers. So I said he either going to be the 47 president or he going to beat the 47 president. Because he connected to that number and he connected to the next number, 48. So if she don't be the 47 president, which is looking like she going to be by these numbers, she gonna be the 47 president for a little bit, and then he gonna be the 48 president. But on that note, I'm out.